So the next question that I have for you, Sujin, is what's the most significant change that you've seen in cold emails, let's say in the last year or two, right? Technology is happening, there's all these new trends, especially when it comes to like email automation, sending multiple sequences to people. What are some things that work today that didn't work a year ago or that don't work anymore and they just stopped working recently so people are not aware of them?
Yeah, so the biggest thing I've seen is all those like gimmicks and old tactics, the stuff you find on the web that's a couple years old, most of it doesn't work. Like if you take a template that's online, it's abused. Assume it doesn't work until you make it work. So that's number one, right? Anything you read, big grain of salt, lots of salt. Um, and salt causes heart disease and crap like that, so that's bad, right? But really, like, personalization has been huge, and I'm not talking about first name, last name, company, position. I'm talking about context. uh, what does this person, what's their interest? If you can personalize their interest, you got their attention. I've seen tools with personalized images where you can, actually one of our competitors has I won't name the name since they're a competitor, but they have this like image personalization where you can dynamically personalize an image. That's neat. That may work for a long time. That may work for a few weeks, few months, few years. But try that. It's new. Video. I know we had video art on the webinar we did. Video works well, right? Putting in the extra time to personalize something actually works well. Shorter, sweeter. People have less patience these days. So like nobody ever is going to respond to a 3 to 5 paragraph email with 3 to 4 sentences in each thing. Like I don't even read that long blog posts at the same time I get them. Right? I might find it interesting and I might mark it up for later, but yeah, keep it short, keep it personal. I think that's the big two things, and test new things.